Hi everyone! So today I'm going to do a Natasha Denona gold palette mini tutorial. So these are the swatches that I did on my arms previously. Check it out! First step, I'm going to set my under eye area with Laura Mercier powder. This is to prevent from any fallout. First shade is Dijon. Dijon, I describe it as a mustard yellow. So when I apply on my eyelid, it doesn't really show up very well because I did not use any primer and I was mistaken. I thought I can use it as a transition color. So I keep on like blending and put it on a lot of time, and these are the results. Next shade is Sandstone. Sandstone, I describe it as a light warm brownish tone. This helped to darken up my crease area, which I had previously applied Dijon shade on it. Next shade is Log. Log is a neutral dark brown shade. I applied this shade on the outer V area of my eye, and it helps to deepen up the eye look. With the same crease brush, I used to blend all the colors together. Next shade is Oro. Oro is a pretty warm shade of gold, and I apply this on the center of my eyelid using my finger. Next shade is Kava. As you can see, I'm using my small detail brush that my son has already broken it. I like to use it for my inner corner application. So Kava is a light neutral glittery brown which has lots of glitter in it. So that's why, as you can see, I'm applying it with a small tapping motion just to prevent any fallout from entering into my eye. Next, I'm using Sandstone. Sandstone, I applied on my lower lash line just to smoothen up the look a bit. And then I use Dijon on my lower lash line to deepen up the eye look. With the same small detail brush, I applied Oro on the center of my lower lash line. So I'm applying eyeliner on my waterline area, and then I'll be applying the mascara onto my eyelash. So this is the complete look for today's mini tutorial. I hope you guys enjoy as much as I enjoy making this. So see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.